The Ergo Advantage modular system is comprised of tiles and safety edging. Tiles are 18 inches by 18 inches and 6 inches by 18 inches. The tiles have compression domes on top and a leg structure on the underside, allowing a pass-through for cords and wires. You have the option to select your surface. A1B is our most popular tile designed for ergonomics, used for standing long periods of time. Solutions for drainage, water, oils, and coolants. Our smooth top tile makes it easier to roll carts and chairs. ESD is available in a multitude of colors. The interlock system stays together when you need it to and easily comes apart when required. Place the tiles on the floor with the lugs at 3 and 6 o'clock, building left to right and top to bottom. Safety edging is required where there is traffic on and off the mats. Tiles can be easily reconfigured as processes change. Damaged matting is repaired by replacing only the damaged tiles, protecting your original investment. Slip hazards from oils and coolants are made safe with our gridded tiles. Cart traffic and chairs with casters are accommodated with our smooth top tiles. A range of standard colors are available for your 5 and 6S initiatives. Custom colors require minimum quantities. The 6-inch tile offers a solution to peeling tape and paint, interlocking with the ergonomic tiles. Clear 6-inch tile was designed to run a variety of lighting through for emergency evacuation, dim lighting, and improved vision in a variety of areas. Put the garbage can on the gray tile. Use blue to highlight ESD areas, red for hazard, yellow for workbenches, white for chairs, and striping for designated zones.